Hey, my name is Mike, and this is Sleeker Digital. Welcome to the ultimate guide to mastering composite products, your secret weapon to selling bundles, kits, and build your own. Magic Imagine letting customers mix and match products like building blocks, while you sit back and watch sales soar. That's Composite Products. Whether you're bundling gadgets, curating gift boxes, or creating a choose-your-adventure product, this plugin is your new BFF. Over 6 snack-sized lessons will turn you from composite newbie to bundle boss. You'll learn to build dazzling product combos, manage carts like a pro, and even track what's working. Why bother? Because happy customers equals bigger carts. And this plugin, it's like a sales DJ, mixing flexibility, simplicity, and profit. No coding required. Just you being awesome, ready to stop leaving money on the table? Let's dive into lesson 1. Your first step to becoming a composite products rock star.